Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify website look professional. First, choose a modern, responsive theme that aligns with your brand identity. High-quality product photography is crucial. Ensure your images are clear and consistent. Also, craft engaging product descriptions that highlight benefits. Finally, maintain a cohesive brand aesthetic across all pages for a polished feel. This foundation is key to a professional online presence. Next, focus on optimizing the user experience. A fast-loading site keeps visitors engaged, so prioritize speed. Your navigation should be straightforward, allowing customers to easily find what they need. Clear calls to action guide them through the purchasing process. Remember, a significant portion of shoppers use mobile devices, so a perfectly optimized mobile experience is non-negotiable for professionalism. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're busy building your amazing Shopify store. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep you refreshed. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Building trust is paramount for any professional online store. Feature genuine customer reviews prominently to build social proof. Transparency is also vital. Clearly outline your shipping, return, and privacy policies. Make it easy for customers to contact you with any questions or concerns. These elements collectively assure shoppers that your business is reliable and trustworthy, encouraging more sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.